Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are in my shower today. Flashbacks from my shower. I'm joking, but yeah, I am going to cut my hair today because as you've seen in my previous videos, I've been having problems with my hair from the time that I bleached it twice in one day. So guys, please don't do it because it actually really ruins your hair. So I'm going to insert a picture of the way my hair's been acting. Is it every day? Why is it knotty? It's just really bad. It keeps getting tangled. I'm getting sick of it. Like, ugh, every single time you wash it, why is it feeling like really rough and not healthy? So I straightened it. That's why it's looking nice, prim and proper. But I tell you, it's as dead as anything. It's really dead. You're gonna say to me, Mandy, don't cut your hair. It's nice. Da, da, da. It's not nice. It annoys me. Why is it so knotty every day? I'm getting sick of it. Disclaimer, I'm so sorry, Brad. I don't have hair scissors. I have kitchen scissors, and I don't know whose scissors these are. So sorry to my housemates if this scissors is yours. And yes, this is the same scissors I used when I was making my headboard. So shut up, leave me alone. So this is the scissors I'm gonna use. Hopefully it's sharp. I didn't actually sharpen it before I did this video, but YOLO. I'm gonna go down the middle of my hair and then part it. And then put that behind my ear. I was gonna say here. And then I'm gonna separate it here. So I'm gonna part it down here. Like that. And then, oh my goodness, freaking missed a bit. And to my auntie that's probably watching this video, I'm sorry, I know you're a hairdresser and you're probably thinking, that's not how you do it, Mandy. I'm sorry. If you was in the UK, you could be cutting my hair like. I'm gonna separate this bit. Okay, now it's time to do the real, you know, separating. So I'm going to brush it down. And then put this in my pocket. Okay, now come, let's be serious. I'm not gonna cut that much off. Okay, here. Look how little that hair is. And look how much my hair's grown. Can you see? Who knows, I could have been a hairdresser in this life. Watch me jinx myself now. Okay, so that here. Look, you can see the bits that are not tying up. They're like my fringe bits. Like here. These are, I had my hair cut like, I think 3 years ago or 2 years ago. Yeah, they decided to cut me some fringe. I think they're the same. Okay, they're roughly the same. I don't care. So now that I've separated my hair, it's time to snippity snip snip snip. What he does is he flicks the hair up like that, and then I think he cuts like down like that. So that's what I'm gonna do. So if I move back so I don't get it everywhere, I'm just gonna snip it like this. Oh my days. This is gonna be a pain to clean up, I swear. Oh my days. Oh, this is so fun. My hair. Then flick it back up the next one and then cut it down. If you could see the floor right now, so bad. I've always been one of those people that don't really care about hair. I just cut it, like, it grows back, you know what I mean? Like, so, let me not jinx myself. Imagine it doesn't grow back now. There you go. Oh no, I'm just gonna have 2 like blocks, like, and then next one, again. Gonna be a disaster, and there's no hair shop that's open currently because we're in a lockdown, so this is just great. It's not even the same. Oh my days, it's not even the same. Is it the same length? Where are they? Chop, chop, chop. Chop, 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 chop. Chop, 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 chop. And we are done. But what do you guys think? Let's do the reveal. If not, then we're gonna go back at it. You know what, it feels so fresh, like, you know when a hairdresser's cut your hair, it feels so smooth at the ends. I'm going to do the layers like he said, so it's not going to be so silly. Oh my days, I love it! Call me hairdresser Mandy. Oh. Oh my god. What the heck is that? I'm gonna have to add layers into that bit. But it feels so nice. Okay, let me show you the back. I can't see it, so when we edit this video, we will see if it's bad or not. But what do you guys think? Brad, are you proud of me? Like, okay, so I'm impressed with this bit. I actually love this shorter hairstyle because my other one was like down here. Let me show you. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Okay, so now we're gonna put layers into my hair. So what Brad does is he does it again. So he separates his hair. This is what could make or break me right now. So what Brad does for the next bit is literally he brushes it up like that, I think upwards, and then literally tie it, and he brushes it up again, put a hairband on. And then, yeah, it's meant to sit like that. Can you see? It just drops. This one. Obviously, I can't hold scissors and a hairbrush at the same time. He flicks it up again. And then he cuts it even more, I think. Focus it for more. Create layers. So flick it up, and then I'm just gonna feather it. Flip this one up. Flip the other one up. Okay, be serious now. And there we go. Okay, so let's see what it looks like. think it blends more now, can you see? Before it was like chick, chick. But it blends. Get these on my hair. Okay. I think it looks really good actually. I think it actually looks really good. Like, no, look at that blend now. So I really like it. It's really soft now. It doesn't feel as dead. Oh my goodness. The difference from having a trim, guys. Trim your hair, why not, eh? So that's it. That's me cutting my hair. What do you guys think? Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Leave a comment down below what you think of my hair. Do you think I did a good job or a really bad job? What do you think? Don't forget to subscribe as well and show some love. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.